Welcome to the tutorial on how to access the academic record called SRU. There are two ways to access it. The first way is through the URL shown on the screen. Simply type the URL, and it will take you directly to the SRU. The second method is by accessing the university website. Go to the Academies tab and select your corresponding bachelor's or master's degree. You will notice a button called Academic Record. Click on it and it will take you to the SRU. If you are enrolled in a diploma program, simply go to Diploma Programs and select your diploma. On the right side, you will see a button called Documents. Click on it and you will finally be able to see the academic record. Once you click on it, you will be immediately redirected to the SRU. Within the SRU, you will need to register using your email and password. Once this is done, you must check your email inbox for a verification message that will be sent to you. If you do not see the email in your main inbox, please check your spam folder and verify it. Once your account is verified and you are logged into the SRU, you will be able to see your profile and all your grades. You will also be able to view the credits for your diploma, bachelor's degree, or master's degree, and by clicking on them, you can see the number of courses in the different areas in which you will be developing. If you wish to have your grades on your device, you can click on Export, and you will obtain a PDF containing all the information. Alef University.